After years of research and development, Stelpro finally introduces its SEF electric furnace. Given the growing cost of energy sources such as natural gas, propane, fuel oil, as well as the equipment cost related to these sources, the use of an electric furnace is highly beneficial. Electricity, a clean energy source, combined with the low costs associated to the purchase and installation of an electric furnace, represent a net advantage. So the new Stelpro furnace will save you money. This unit, created in accordance with the user and installer requirements, is offered in various capacities ranging from 10 to 30 kilowatts. The Stelpro design furnace has many other advantages. For example, the series of removable and adjustable dampers ensure a better static pressure, airflow, delta T, and noise control. The continuous ventilation mode ensures increased comfort and effectiveness, to which you can add a heating power of 2.5 kilowatts to reduce the feeling of cold air streams. The continuous mode also filters the air and creates a uniform temperature. The indicator lights allow easy identification of the selected modes. The power selector allows a reduction of the maximum power by about half during spring and autumn. This prevents an overproduction of heat in the house during these periods. The SEF features a 1/3 horsepower 4-speed motor, low, medium high, high for the 23 kilowatt and less units, and the 1 horsepower 3-speeds motor for 27 to 30 kilowatt units. For easy access, the motor slides out of the furnace on sturdy rails. The M-shaped element support increases the heat transfer surface of the heating elements. I should add that the Stelpro SEF furnace has been designed to ensure easy installation and maintenance. Here are some examples. Easy power supply on the top or on one side of the unit. Easily accessible central power supply. Easy access to all components. Fan centered at the front. All the devices required for the addition of an air conditioner or a heat pump. Choice of 4 installation positions for the air return, already pre-cut in the metal enclosure. Heating elements framed separately for easy and quick replacement. Horizontal upflow and downflow positions. 3 independent access, facilitating tests and maintenance. Filter frame equipped with a door aiming to reduce air infiltration noises. Disposable filter, 1 inch thick by 20 inches wide and 20 inches long, included with the unit. Insulated fan case for better noise absorption. Very elegant, robust one-piece casing. Equipped with various easily accessible connections and protection devices. Direct installation against walls, 0-inch clearance. For more details, please visit www.stelpro.com.